Hey everybody, Marcus here. Today we're going to be installing the Spigen Matte Screen Protector for our new Tesla Cybertruck. Apologies for my voice, just getting over a cold, but we are going to be putting this on, taking the old one off from delivery. Oh, I love taking off a good screen protector, but honestly, these Spigen screen protectors have turned into a must-purchase accessory for all of my cars. They have a really easy and awesome applicator system that just makes it pretty simple to install them. So let's get into it. So we've got the box open here. It comes with the toolkit that's going to be like your sticker for removing dust. I believe it has a little plastic spudger in it. Underneath that, you've got instructions on how to install it. And then under here, you have the actual screen protector. And so let's get ready and take off the one on the screen from delivery. Now, before we get started, Tesla makes this pretty simple too. They have in the controls and then display menu something called screen clean mode. So you just hit that button there, and this allows you to kind of touch a screen all over, not have to worry about different settings being changed as you're applying it. And to get out of it, you just hold this button here to exit for 3 seconds, and it will pop out of that screen clean mode. Here we go with Cybertruck ASMR. Oh yeah. Now that we have the factory screen protector removed here, I've got the toolkit open. First, you're going to use the orange and black wipes there to wipe the screen clean, kind of like an alcohol thing. Then dry it off with the cloth. And if you have any dust, use that sticker to take it off. Now, we basically just took the one off from the factory, so there shouldn't be any dust. You also want to make sure that your AC or climate control is set to off. So if you do have any dust or anything in the cabin, that it's not being blown around and adhering to the screen with static electricity. So I've got the wipe here, and we're just going to go and generally just clean this. Like I said, this one shouldn't have anything on it really. So to make sure that get everything off that you possibly can on this before you apply that screen protector, so you don't get any dust or anything wedged in there. Then you're going to use the cloth provided here just to make sure it's all dry. Now you're going to use the dust removal sticker. Since we really have nothing on the screen, since we just took the factory one off, there's just one little piece here. What I like to do is use your cell phone flashlight, and that honestly makes the little pieces of dust just stick out like crazy. So I just saw that one there, and that's it. Now we're all finished with that. Now here to me is the beauty of these Spigen screen protectors is the applicator kind of mold that they have here. I'm going to take this back screen off by peeling that off, and then once you do that, you're just going to flip it around and stick that directly onto the screen like that. So we'll just do that here. A little bit of ASMR on that one too. All right, now this piece just goes directly onto the screen. I'm not going to be able to film this one because I don't have a tripod with me, and I want to use 2 hands to make sure I get it on there right. But you're just going to put this using the, kind of guides that it has here onto the screen firmly. All right, so now that is on there here. So it says press and slide. Just going to do that. And wait 30 seconds. All right, so we have waited the 30 seconds here. Next step is to take this little tab and to pull this off. This sticker, if I remember right from my other installs, is on there a little bit stronger. This point now, the plastic applicator kind of guide isn't needed anymore, and it's not stuck on there, so you can actually just take this completely off. So now what's left is the protector screen over the actual screen protector here. Alrighty, and then as you can see here, there's these little tabs kind of all over it. So just pick one, and we're gonna peel that protector off. Comes off nice and easy. Then from here, they give you a bigger white squeegee. So you're just going to use this to kind of work the bubbles out if you have them. I do see one right there. So you just use that and kind of, let me try and find it again. There we go. Just want to make sure you don't have any of those left over. I put the phone down there. It's a little bit easier with two hands, but basically you want to apply firm pressure and kind of just work that bubble down to the edge, and then once you get it to the edge, it'll seal firmly on there. So I don't really think we have too many others here on this side that I saw. I think there was one over here I'm going to try and get out also. Also, as a hint, your cell phone camera light is an easy way to find these air bubbles, so make sure you use that too. Now, if you do have any other smaller bubbles, they do give you a smaller black squeegee here that you can use to kind of work those tougher ones out. Just want to keep on trying to push them to the edge of the screen to get them out. Now that I'm seeing one right there, actually. So you just use that. There we go, no more bubble. Yeah, and from what the manual says, if you do have a really small bubble, you can use the edge of this to essentially kind of just hold it on it for 5 seconds. Hopefully you really don't have to do that though. And that is that. It takes about 15 minutes start to finish. Don't really want to get distracted or anything in the middle. The longer you kind of leave it bare, screen bare after you've cleaned it, the more risk of dust accumulation that you have. But as you can see here, the applicator just applies it perfectly so that it's just centered amazingly. Looks great. I love the matte as opposed to like a shiny gloss. So like I said, this is an accessory I add onto all my vehicles pretty much right away. I love the Spigen system for applicating it, or applying it, I should say. Just a must-have accessory. If you are interested, I'll link it down below with an Amazon link, an affiliate link to help the channel out. If you click through, it just gives me a little bit of a cut. So hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one.